Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time on this channel, I just want to welcome you. And for those of you guys who have subscribed, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. So guys, today I'm just going to share with you 3 websites where you can work as a transcriptionist. If you've ever thought of having or maybe working as a typist, or maybe you were looking for typing jobs, actually please stick around because of what I'm going to share with you, it's going to help you to get started. There's 3 websites, guys, that I'm going to share with you. 2 of them, yes, they need some experience in actually working as a transcriptionist. But for one website, guys, it's more beginner friendly. If you don't have any experience actually working as a transcriptionist, one website it's gonna help you, or they're gonna accept. For some of you guys, you might not understand, or maybe you don't know what is a transcription job. So I'm just going to give you a simple explanation what is or maybe working as a transcriptionist. So when you work as a transcriptionist, you listen to audio or the video, and then you type exactly what is being said in that video or audio, meaning that you convert the video or the audio into text. The first website, guys, is rev.com. So on rev.com, you can work as a video and audio transcriptionist, or you can work as a captionist, if I can put it like that. Being a captionist, it means that you add English subtitles on a video. So, and the last thing that you can do is working as a translator, because they also offer the translation services. So being a translator means that you translate maybe a video which is maybe in a certain language, and then you translate it maybe into English, or from English to another language. So how do you sign up, or how do you become a transcriptionist on rev.com? Firstly, you'll need to sign up, and then after signing up, you sign up with your email and all the information actually they will need from you for you to complete your profile. And then after that, you will take a quiz, a 2-minute quiz, and then after that quiz actually you will wait for them to respond to you. And even before you can take that quiz, actually there will be a guide or style guide, something that will guide you on how you should transcribe that document. And then after following that and transcribing a 2-minute video, you submit it to Rev, and then after some time they will get back to you. So when they get back to you, or maybe let's say you are successful, you start to work on their platform, and then you start being paid. So on their website, they showed that the average earning that you can make in a month is $245, and the highest earning that you can make on their website, they showed that it's $1,500, approximately $1,500. So you might wonder, okay, how am I going to get my money when I've worked? So they pay through PayPal. So if PayPal is working on your country, they're gonna pay you through PayPal. The second website is sonics.ai. So sonics.ai, it works a bit different from rev.com because here you don't have to transcribe the entire video or the audio. What happens is that they have a software where they transcribe the videos and the audios, and what you need to do, you just need to proofread whatever has been transcribed to make sure that everything is accurate, is the way they want it to be. And the nice part about it is that they connect you with the client, which gives you the flexibility to set your own rate and agree on turnaround time with the client, even the method of payment. So this one is a good one, guys, that I believe everyone can do it. If you're good in English, actually this is a good opportunity for you, because what you're just going to do is just to proofread whatever has been transcribed. You'll just proofread it. So it's really a good opportunity. The third website, guys, which is beginner friendly, is called Transcription. have. So this one, even if you don't have any experience actually in transcribing, it is good for you. So for you to get started on this platform, you will take a transcription test like Rev, and after actually applying, it will take 48 hours for them to get back to you, and then if you succeed, actually you start to work on the platform. So they pay around $0.75 per audio minute, which translate into $45 per audio hour. So guys, this is a good opportunity for those of you who have always wanted, or maybe for those of you who want the typing jobs. Please consider applying on this website that I've shared with you. And guys, remember, success doesn't come overnight. So you might be watching this video and getting this information. So what will make you, or maybe what will set you apart from other people, is when you take action on everything that I've shared on this video. So for you to have a better 2024, please take action on everything that you want to achieve in your life. So just take action, and that's what will set you apart from the rest of the people, because people, they just like to actually consume the information and they never act on that information they got. So I just want to challenge you, if you had this or maybe you watched this video, you got this information, one thing that you need to do now is to go and act, go and apply on those websites that I've shared with you. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again on the next video. But please remember to subscribe and like the video, even leave the comment if you found any value out of this video. Thank you so much. Until I see you in the next video.